So welcome guys to my video. Thank you very much again for tuning in. So today I want us to prepare some fried chicken and potato wedges. So I've already chopped my garlic and some red onions, and I just want to add them to my chicken so that I can marinate it. So I'm going to put salt to taste. Then I'm adding some red onion powder, and then here I'm going to add again my garlic, my chopped garlic, and black pepper. This is a black pepper powder. So I'm going to mix it well before I add my dark soy sauce. Here it is. I'm just adding like around 5 milliliters. Dark soy sauce is usually very strong. And please comment in my comment section, like, and please share also. Thank you very much for always supporting this channel. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. God bless you a lot as you keep watching. So I've already mixed well my chicken. I've already ensured that the marinade is all over every piece, and that I just want to cover it with a cling film and let it rest for 30 minutes. So as I wait for my chicken to marinate, you can put it in a fridge and let it rest for like 3 hours. As I wait for it to marinate, I'll be preparing my tomatoes. So my tomatoes are already clean, and I'm just chopping them into bigger pieces, and I place them in a bowl. So this is the size I'm preferring. Of course, you can make them bigger as you wish, but I prefer this size. So I'm done chopping them. So I wash them again. Here they are already clean. So I place them in a sufuria and turn on my gas cooker. As I wait for them to steam for at least 3 minutes, I'm going to I've already added my garlic, and you can see my garlic is on top. I've added salt also. So I'm turning them. It's already 3 minutes, and I just want to remove them and start deep frying them. Try this recipe. You will love potato wedges. You will always be preparing this type of potato. It's better than chips actually. So salt, I've already added salt, as you can see. So what I want to do right now is to remove them and then place my pan on the gas cooker. So I'm adding oil and letting it heat until it's hot enough. I'm just checking if it's already hot. I can see it's very hot already. So I start adding my potato wedges and wait for them to cook. As simple as that. Very easy yet very yummy. So this is my first batch, and Sorry, some parts of the video I've not included, but I've explained them, like the parts when I'm chopping my garlic, when I'm finishing my last batch of potatoes. I've not shown everything because I wanted it to have a shorter length. I wanted to make a shorter video. So my potatoes are cooking. They are ready, guys, and I want to just remove them. Look at how nice and brown they are. Always wait until they are very brown on the outside, not burnt. Don't let them burn, but just ensure they are brown, this nylon brown. They are it's usually very nice. Usually the inside is not so dry because you've already boiled them. Look at how nice they are. I'm putting my last batch, and I'm not going to show all of it until it cooks. I'm going to start showing you my chicken. So I'm going to remove them from the oil, and the same oil, that's where I'm going to cook my chicken. Some of the garlic that escaped into my oil are now on top. They are burnt, so I'm just removing them. So I'm just putting my chicken into the oil that I've used to cook my potatoes, and reduce the heat so much because they are bigger portion, like the chicken thighs are very heavy. It's good to reduce the heat to very low point so that it cooks for over around between 10 to 15 minutes, and ensure they're well cooked. Like mine here is already cooked. I'm done, guys, and I just want to serve them. Look at how beautiful they are. At this stage, you can do kachumbari, you can do vegetables, you can do salad, anything you wish to cook it with, or even tomato sauce, ketchup, all those. So my potatoes are here, and my chicken pieces are also here. Look at how the inside is soft and fleshy and juicy. So I'm just taking a piece I want to taste. Wow, yummy, guys, very yummy. Try this recipe and I'm sure you like it. See you in my next video. Bye. God bless you.